Schiff, a longtime Bitcoin critic, just admitted Bitcoin has a use case. He says it's a hedge against Saylor's Bitcoin-heavy strategy. Short seller Jim Chanos is using Bitcoin to offset risk from his bearish position on MicroStrategy. Despite Bitcoin's recent price rally, Schiff still dismisses it as hype-driven. He finds it ironic that Saylor's strategy has created a practical use for Bitcoin. Schiff continues to advocate for gold, remaining skeptical of Bitcoin's long-term value.